10 Benefits of Coriander. Coriander, also known as cilantro or Chinese parsley, is a versatile herb used in cuisines around the world. Beyond its culinary uses, coriander is packed with essential nutrients and offers a wide range of health benefits. In this article, we'll explore the top 10 benefits of incorporating coriander into your diet. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Coriander is a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. 2. Promotes digestive health. Coriander has been traditionally used to aid digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and juices, helping to alleviate issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Coriander seeds, in particular, are known for their ability to soothe the digestive system. 3. Supports heart health. Coriander has heart protective properties. It helps lower LDL, bad, cholesterol and increases HDL, good, cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, coriander may help regulate blood pressure due to its diuretic effects. 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Coriander can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It has been shown to enhance insulin secretion and improve carbohydrate metabolism. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Coriander contains compounds that have strong anti-inflammatory effects. These properties make coriander effective in reducing inflammation in the body, which can help manage conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. 6. Boosts immune system. Coriander is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as several minerals that support the immune system. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties also help protect the body from infections and illnesses. 7. Detoxifies the body. Coriander is known for its detoxifying properties. It helps remove heavy metals and other toxins from the body, particularly from the liver, making it an excellent addition to a detox regimen. 8. Promotes skin health. Coriander has been used in traditional medicine to treat skin conditions such as rashes, eczema, and inflammation. The antioxidants in coriander help protect the skin from damage, while its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritated skin. 9. Aids in weight management. Coriander can aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and improving digestion. Its diuretic properties help reduce water retention, which can contribute to weight loss and overall health. 10. Supports bone health. Coriander is a good source of calcium, magnesium, and other minerals essential for maintaining healthy bones. Regular consumption of coriander can help strengthen bones and reduce the risk of bone-related issues such as osteoporosis. Coriander is an easy and delicious addition to your diet, whether used fresh in salads, as a garnish, or as a spice in your favorite dishes. Its wide range of health benefits makes it a valuable herb to include in your daily routine.